And welcome back. My Banggood rainbow clock is starting to show signs of age. Been running now for 2 years or so constantly, and now's the time to revisit it. Yeah, it's a bit hard to see what's going on, because even with the GoPro the display's multiplexed, and so it's constantly flickering. But you'll see the green of the 5 digit, the lower right hand side. When it displays changes, you'll see the green occasionally will light up just about now, and it shouldn't be there, as that should be showing a C. I tried to find ways of showing it coming on, so here you can see the green and red flashing when they really shouldn't. That should be saying 18 degrees C, and so they shouldn't be lit at all. But it's very hard to try and work out and capture it on video that they are lighting at the wrong point, and this is about the best I can do. And so you see that the green and the red are faint when they shouldn't be lit. But it's perplexing, and as yet I can't think of a reason for it happening apart from maybe a duff chip. Well, I started mocking up a quick circuit diagram by buzzing out the LEDs on the clock to try and work out what was going on. And what I found was, if you look at this, the 2 LEDs that make up one segment are common, and the blue, green and red goes to every single LED. So there is only a blue, green and red signal that goes to every LED, and the common side is the effectively that segment driver. And so tracing it back, blue goes to pin 7, green goes to pin 8, red goes to pin 9 on the microcontroller, and then you'll see that it's a bit spread around where the segments go, but it looks like that the software will pull, say, the blue line high and then pull this line low, and the blue LED will light up. So on my display where I'm getting the phantom lighting, then it's possible that something has gone wrong in the microcontroller, and it's allowing this side of the LEDs to be called low at the wrong time, and so they're lighting dimly. But buzzing it out, they all go to individual pins, so I'm not quite sure exactly what's going on. All I can put it down to is that the chip's dying, and that at some point they might get brighter, or that digit or that segment might stop altogether. We'll just have to wait and see. I'll just live with the fact that there is a dominant one that's not working properly, and then the odd one that appears wrong at odd times. But I can't find details on the circuit on the chip at the moment, and even if I find a replacement chip, there's nowhere that I'm going to find the program that goes in it. You might be lucky and you might be able to sort of suck the program out and blow it back into a new chip, but they don't release circuit diagrams for this anywhere. I've not seen any circuit diagrams, so I expect they've protected the code. Don't know. But that's about as far as I've got with the circuit. I've been going through it. I'm not going to go into details because obviously they haven't released the circuit anywhere, so they don't want you to know it. So I'm not going to open myself up for them saying, "Oh, you've given our data away." So it does get to a point where there is a lot of funny things going on to make use of pins, because they obviously run out of pins. So there are some around the speaker and the microphone. There are some tricks going on to get multiple functions on individual pins, but that's about all I'm going to say on that. While buzzing the board out to try and get a bit of a circuit diagram, I came across this. I was buzzing the wires, all the connections back to the main chip, and if you look, there, after all these years, there is an unsoldered joint. So we'll remake that one and see if it makes a difference. Just get a bit of solder. Found the fault because when probing around here to find, well, I can't see it now. Probing around here to find which wire, which is up there, which is that one there, it went. I stuck a probe in there, and as I pulled around here, I hit this one, and the green diode lit up, which highlighted the fact it wasn't actually. I hit the pin, and it wasn't actually connected to these two together. So that instantly showed me there was something wrong. So I've soldered that now, and I'll get back on with the hunt. Bugger! It didn't fix the fault. After soldering, it still flickers, as you can see here now. Well, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll catch you on the next one.